Are you wondering which music production software is better? Today, we'll compare FL Studio and Reaper. Both are popular tools for creating music, but they have different strengths. FL Studio is known for its user friendly interface. It's great for beginners. You can easily drag and drop sounds, and the workflow is very intuitive. Many electronic music producers love it for its powerful features and built in instruments. On the other hand, Reaper is a bit more complex. It offers a lot of flexibility and customization. This makes it a favorite among experienced users. You can set it up just the way you like. Reaper is also lightweight, which means it runs smoothly even on older computers. Now, let's look at the key differences. FL Studio is more focused on beat making and electronic music. Its piano roll is excellent for composing melodies. Reaper, however, shines in audio, recording, and mixing. It's perfect for bands or anyone who needs to record live instruments. When it comes to features, FL Studio has a wide range of built in plugins and samples. It's ready to go right out of the box. Uh, Reaper, while it has fewer built in sounds, supports many third party plugins. This gives you more options if you want to expand your setup. In terms of pricing, FL Studio offers different editions at various price points. Reaper has a more straightforward pricing model and it's generally more affordable for what you get. So, who should choose what? If you are a beginner or into electronic music, FL Studio is a great choice. If you want more control and flexibility, Reaper may be the better option for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.